Students, how are you all? I hope you all have enjoyed Diwali vacation. Now again come back to online classes. Today we are going to make fish. Okay, it is very simple. I'll show you step by step. To make the fish, we need marble paper, gum stick, colors, okay, to decorate the picture. Okay, now we will start with the take square marble paper and fold it in a triangle shape. Join corners to corner and make the triangle. Give the crease here. Okay, unfold it and again bring bottom corner to the top corner. Join it. Like this you have to give the crease. Now unfold again and make the rectangle shape. Join the edges and corners. And make the square again. Fold it in half and make the square. When you open it, you will get the creases. Just see. You can get the vertical crease, horizontal crease, diagonal crease. Okay. You can fold it and keep the square like this. To make the fish, you have to open one flap like this. See, we have kept in the square shape only. Okay, the joint part is up and the open part is down towards you. Okay, now open one flap and fold it like this. You have already creases and make the triangular shape. Turn it and again from another side. After turning you will get like this. Just see. Okay, now keep your finger, open this flap and turn this and make again triangular shape. Okay, again I am showing you. Just see, this is the square shape. Open this flap and turn it to the left side. Spread out the corners and press it. Now turn it, and the same way this flap you will turn to this side, right side. You can see like this. Just see. Now press it properly. Now to show the tail part, you have to see. You can see like this. Okay, these are the parts of the fishes. Now keep first finger on the top and fold it like this. Press it from another side. When you turn it, you can see like this fish. Now take the pencil and draw the eyes in circular shape. Okay, like this you can make the two fishes and you can decorate like aquarium. Okay, one more time I'll show you. Just see. Take square paper, fold it in a triangle shape, triangular shape. Join the corner to corner, edges to edges. Give the crease. Unfold it. Again make triangle. Now you have to make the small square. For that you have to fold it in a rectangle shape. I am showing you again, children. It's little bit tough, but you can do it, I know. Make the small square You have done square in the junior KG in the first assignment. Okay, now you can see the creases. Okay, now fold it in a square only. The joint part keep up and open part towards you. Now take one flap and bring it to the left side. Already you have creases, so you will get the triangle shape. Just see. Now turn it, and this flap you will bring this side. One left side, one right side. So you will get this shape. And inside you can see like this. Okay, you will get the separate flaps like this. Now to show the fish tail, you are turning like this. Okay, and turn it. Already we have done the 2 fishes. You also make small 2 fishes. Stick it in the sketchbook. First write the topic. On the top write the topic fish in bracket origami. Write down the date over here and stick the 2 fishes. Okay. If you want to show water, you can show water in the crayon. Only one also you can stick, children. If you want, you can make it 2. Like this. 1 up, 1 down. Okay. And you can show the water with the pastel color. You can show water like this. Otherwise you can do one thing, children. You can stick it later. First you color the water like this, and after that you can stick it. No problem. With the waves like this, you can show the water. And after coloring, you can stick the fishes. Okay. You can show some bubbles in blue color like this. Okay. If you want, you can give the aquarium effect also. Like this, you have to finish the fishes. Okay.